Today I will show you guys our new product, which is a card DVD. Okay, check this out. We have one card DVD and the card charger, one wheeled camera, and the USB cable, the section card, and the user menu in Chinese and English. Okay, this is a card DVD with 3 lenses, front, back, and one wide view camera to provide you all-around monitoring and ensure driving safety. Okay, first, we need power supply. You should charge it while using it. Normally, it's coming with the car charger, but now there's no card for me to do it. So now I'm using another USB cable. You just put it into the interface, and then insert the section card. Put it into the wheeled camera interface. Okay, give it power. Before you're recording, you should insert SD card, which is not included. 38 megapixel, 170 degree for front, and 120 degree for back, and 140 for rear view. Press up and down button to change the camera. And here's the rear view. Long press can change to the rear view. 4.0-inch high definition IPS screen, as well as a clear parking monitoring. Picture-in-picture, which means two cameras can record and display on the screen at the same time.